Okay, here's a real quick video on how to dual boot a system. This is the HP Elite Desk 800 TW. It's the G1 TWR. I got this from my dad. He didn't want it for whatever reason. It's got the Intel i7, the 4770 CPU. 3 gigahertz, 3.4 gigahertz processor, 24 gigs of RAM. Now this is what's really cool about this system. It's got multiple drives, but the thing about the multiple drives is, if I go down here to File Explorer, this Windows only sees one hard drive, which is 1 terabyte hard drive that came with. This system actually has 5 hard drives, Windows being one of them. The other 4 are in what's called TrueNAS. Now, if I come over here and reboot this system, normally what will happen is this system will shut down and then reboot into what's called TrueNAS. TrueNAS is a Linux operating system that allows you to manage a server through the web interface, and I'll show you that in here in a second. Let the system come back up. Oh, I hit shutdown. Okay, and it's going to come back up now. There you go. You got your HP logo, and there's TrueNAS starting up right there. TrueNAS is Linux. This is running the Linux 5.10 kernel. There goes the booting process. And I want to show you something interesting, is that once it boots up here, I'll show you what the TrueNAS interface looks like. If you guys would like to have videos on how to install TrueNAS, I can do that too. It's super easy to do. I've got it on one of my thumb drives laying around here somewhere. I can do a video on that. Just try and get the word out there. Everything is possible through a little bit of research. One of my buddies, James Black, wanted me to do some work for him, and he actually was going to run a server, a TrueNAS server, so I thought I would get familiar with it. I am Microsoft certified, MTA security certified, and Server Plus certified, so I do know a little bit about Windows servers and that sort of thing, but this is just one of the little really quick videos just to show you what TrueNAS is. It's just another way to manage a server, but instead of, you can manage it kind of sort of through the screen here in just a second with the keyboard, but TrueNAS is a lot more robust than that, and I'll show you here in a second. As soon as this starts up, it's going to give me there you go. It's got my if I look up here, there's my IP number. I need to access it through the HTTP. And if I come over here and go to my Windows machine, log into TrueNAS, and there's TrueNAS right there. Now, what that means is that I can also go over here, and once I show you, really quick what this is about, and this is the machine over here, the HP. So with this web interface, this gives me all the information I need to know, check for updates. This is the 24 gig hard drive, 24 gig memory, and see there's that Core i7 4770 CPU, 3.4 gigahertz. And see, look, I got 2 drives here. Now, I said I had 5 drives. So one of the drives here is the TrueNAS hard drive, and the other 2 drives, they combine and make these pools here. So actually, I think I have 6 drives on here total. If I'm not mistaken, I have to bust it open and look at it again. I think I have 6 drives. One is Windows, one is Linux, which is the TrueNAS. If I'm not mistaken, that's how I got it set up. And then I have 2 drives combined for this and 2 drives combined for this. So when it pulled it together, it pulled it as 286 on this one and 432 over here. And you can do applications on here. You can do virtualization. Actually, I have a virtual machine on here, which is my Kali Linux machine. And if I do a little drop down here, and hit display, bam, there is Linux, Kali Linux actually. I'm going to bring it over here. So Kali Linux is starting up, and there's the dashboard of the TrueNAS, and there's Kali booting up. Kali is another Linux operating system used for ethical hackers. And it's a full running Linux machine. There it is. Bam, got all your little programs here that you want to use, wireless testing, all for ethical purposes only, and this video is for educational purposes. But anyways, so coming over here to this laptop, if you look at the top, it says, this PC, VAC1 TrueNAS. I map a network drive, and inside this, I have my resume. It's kept on the server on this machine over here, and it's there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week if I want it. And then the thing is, if I want to go back to Windows, I just go to Shutdown, hit Confirm, and then that's going to shut down, as you can see there. It's shutting down. Kali Linux went away because I'm shutting down, of course. Shut that down. This is all, see, it's shutting down Kali Guest. Bam. Did I not shut that down? And then it should be powering up right now. And then I just hit escape on my keyboard. And then I go down here to boot menu, which is F9. Go down here to, yeah, see I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my SATA 5 drive is my Windows, and there's Windows. Okay, well, I hope you liked my video. It was a really quick, short video, maybe not too short, but on how you can dual boot a device, a terminal, computer, and get multiple instances. If you wanted to do, if I want to run a server for like all my backups of my games and files and like my resume over here, all I gotta do is share the drive like I showed you, put a file in there, and bam, it's on my server. But the only thing is, I have to have TrueNAS loaded in order for me to see it, because like I said, if I go over here and go to my Windows drive, there's nothing here but the Windows hard drive. Okay, so I have to be in TrueNAS, so the other operating system has to be up and running in order for me to see it. Okay, well, I hope you liked my video. That was a real quick video on how to do that. Hope it wasn't too long. Please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I have more videos coming. If you want a video on how to do that TrueNAS, please let me know in the comment section, and I will get up and running for you guys. Thanks a lot. Bye.